Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. All right guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most talked about investing platforms of the year, public.com. Whether you're brand new to investing or thinking about switching from another app, this full breakdown will walk you through everything you need to know, from features and safety to pros, cons, and what really makes Public stand out in 2025. Let's get into it. So, what exactly is Public.com? Public.com is a commission-free investing platform that has been gaining a lot of traction for its unique approach to trading. It's not just about stocks and ETFs. Public offers a wide range of assets, including crypto, treasury bills, and alternative investments like real estate and even art. The platform is designed to cater to a new generation of investors who are not only interested in making money, but also in learning more about their investments in a social and interactive environment. One of the key things that sets Public apart from other platforms is how it combines traditional investing with a social community. Users can follow other investors, see what they're buying, ask questions, and share investment ideas. This social aspect makes it a great platform for those just starting their investment journey and looking for guidance and insights from others in real time. And in 2025, Public has taken things up a notch by integrating AI-driven recommendations, real-time market insights, and better access to alternative investment tools. This combination of traditional investments and cutting-edge technology positions Public as a leader in the investing space, competing with other well-known platforms like Robinhood and E-Trade. Is Public.com safe? Now let's talk about safety, because that's a major concern when it comes to investing your hard-earned money. Public is a registered broker-dealer with FINRA and a member of SIPC, which means your investments are protected up to $500,000. This is a crucial point for anyone concerned about the security of their funds. Public also doesn't participate in payment for order flow, OF, a controversial practice where brokers sell your trade data to third parties. By eliminating this, Public offers a more transparent trading experience. When it comes to security measures, Public has taken extra steps to keep your data safe. They use bank-level encryption, two-factor authentication, and secure data storage to ensure your information is protected. In 2025, Public has also rolled out biometric login options, including Face ID and fingerprint scanning, making it easier and safer for you to access your account. Additionally, they've integrated AI-driven fraud detection tools, ensuring that any suspicious activity is flagged instantly. Key features of Public.com 2025 edition. Now that we've covered safety, let's dive into some of the standout features that make Public.com such a unique platform in 2025. 1. Commission-free trades. Public allows you to trade stocks and ETFs without paying any commission fees. This is one of the major reasons why it's become so popular, especially for new investors who don't want to lose a chunk of their profits to fees. 2. Fractional shares. Public lets you invest in fractional shares, meaning you can buy a small portion of expensive stocks like Amazon, Tesla, or Apple with as little as $1. This feature opens up investing to people who might not have enough capital to buy full shares of these high-priced stocks. Nestor 3. Crypto and alternative assets. Public isn't just about stocks and ETFs. They've expanded their offerings to include cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and more than 30 other popular coins. But that's not all. Public also lets you invest in alternative assets, such as art, collectibles, and even real estate. This diversification allows investors to create a more balanced portfolio without needing to use multiple platforms. Hat 4. Treasury accounts. In 2025, Public has made it easier than ever to invest in U.S. Treasury bills, which are short-term government bonds. These investments are generally low risk and offer solid returns, often higher than what you'd get from a regular savings account. Public's access to Treasury bills makes it an appealing option for conservative investors. Honor 5. Social feed. One of the standout features of Public is its social feed, where you can see what others are buying, share your own trades, and ask questions. This fosters a community of learning where newer investors can get insights from more experienced ones. It's like having a social media platform dedicated to investing. No. 6. AI-powered insights. Public has integrated AI-powered insights into its platform, helping you make smarter investment decisions. These insights offer personalized recommendations, risk analysis, and even trend forecasts based on your portfolio and market activity. This feature is particularly useful for new investors who may not know how to evaluate risk and make data-driven decisions. User interface and experience. When it comes to user experience, Public has one of the cleanest, most intuitive interfaces in the industry. Whether you're using the mobile app or the desktop site, you'll find that navigating through different asset types and tools is smooth and straightforward. In 2025, Public made several improvements to its platform, including faster performance, dark mode, and customizable dashboards. You can also expect better portfolio tracking tools so you can easily monitor how your investments are performing. Their charting tools have also seen significant upgrades, including more advanced technical indicators like RSI, MACD, and moving averages, which are popular among more experienced traders. But even if you're a beginner, the tools are still easy to understand and use. Pricing and fees. Now let's talk about pricing and fees. Public is still 100% commission-free for trading stocks and ETFs, which is one of its most attractive features. However, it's important to note that there are some transaction fees on services like crypto and alternative assets. These fees are clearly disclosed before you place a trade, so there are no hidden costs. Public also offers treasury accounts for free, but they may carry small management fees when held for the long term. Overall, Public's fee structure remains transparent and competitive in 2025, making it easy to understand what you're paying for. Investment options breakdown. So what kind of investment options can you expect on Public? Stocks and ETFs. Thousands of options with real-time market data. Crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more than 30 other coins. Treasury, short-term U.S. government bonds with yields often above 5% in 2025. Alternatives, fractional investments in art, wine, real estate, and collectibles. This wide range of investment types makes Public a powerful all-in-one platform that can meet the needs of both beginner and seasoned investors. Pros and cons. Let's quickly go over the pros and cons of Public. Pros. No commissions on stocks and ETFs. Unique social investing features. Access to crypto, treasuries, and alternative assets. Beginner-friendly interface and design. Transparent fee structure. Powerful research and AI-driven insights. Cons. Limited advanced trading features. No options trading. Some transaction fees for crypto and alternative assets, only available in the U.S. as of 2025. Who is Public.com best for? Public is ideal for new investors looking for an easy-to-use platform, social learners who want to follow and learn from others, long-term investors interested in alternatives and treasury bills, crypto-curious users who want to access both traditional and alternative assets in one place. It's not ideal for active day traders or those looking for margin accounts and complex option strategies. Mobile app experience. The Public app is available for both iOS and Android, and in 2025, it's been rated close to perfect by users. It includes features like biometric login, instant deposits, customizable watch lists, and real-time notifications. In the latest update, the app introduced new features like portfolio insights, investment goal tracking, and AI news filtering, which helps you stay focused on what matters most. Final verdict. Public.com continues to impress in 2025 with its easy-to-use interface, social investing features, and access to a wide range of investment options, including stocks, crypto, and even alternatives like art and real estate. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or an experienced investor looking for a one-stop-shop platform, Public offers something for everyone. If you value transparency, diversity in investment options, and intuitive design, then Public could be the perfect platform to support your investing journey. Thanks for watching. Be sure to share your thoughts on Public.com in the comments below.